I want to welcome you all to the Renaissance series first episode, Poetry in Resistance. And this is a program that SFT is starting in order to amplify the voices that are being banned in Tibet, and pretty much amplifying everything that is being banned in Tibet. The artworks, the literature, essays, poems, music, ringtones, in a way, what we are seeing in Tibet, in spite of the repression from China, or to some extent maybe because of the repression, what we are seeing is a cultural kind of revival and revolution and change and growth that is taking place at a level that we haven't seen in Tibet in so many years, in many decades, even centuries. And there are people who are creating music, creating music videos on YouTube. And some of these videos, we have been watching it from here. They've been inspiring thousands of people in exile, thousands of others. And this kind of power of the art has been used in other revolutions in other countries. If we look at the history of successful revolutions around the world, I think we'll see that art and literature has been used successfully in many countries by many nations for their liberation. And for that reason, I think the Chinese government is particularly careful and wary, and they want to crack down on people who are writing, people who are singing, people who are making music, people who are spreading knowledge and spreading creativity. China tries to silence these people in Tibet, but each time they arrest somebody, they do the exact opposite of what they intend to do, which is promote their message even more. Because everybody who's arrested, everybody who's jailed, will somehow find a way to get to their messages, to get to their poems and writings, and distribute it, and read it, and amplify it. So our goal is to counter China's efforts to silence these Tibetan writers and intellectuals.